Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, sunroof, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control, brake assist. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.